Feeling overwhelmed? Juggling a million projects, clients, and to-do lists? We've all been there. That's where project management tools like ClickUp come in, a haven for organization and streamlining your workflow. But before you dive headfirst into ClickUp's glorious features, there's a crucial question to consider. How much free space do you actually get? That's right, ClickUp, despite its generous free plan, has limitations on a key element: spaces. These spaces are essentially your project hubs, where you organize tasks, lists, and keep your team on the same page. So, how many of these project havens can you create for free? The answer, up to 5. That might sound like a decent amount at first, but hear me out. If you're a freelancer juggling multiple clients, a small business owner with various departments, or even someone managing personal projects with distinct categories, work, hobbies, finances, those 5 spaces can fill up fast. So what happens when you hit that space limit? ClickUp politely informs you that you've reached your limit and can't create new ones. Now you're faced with a decision: consolidate existing projects, upgrade to a paid plan, or perhaps explore alternative project management tools. But wait, there's more to the story. The free plan limitation isn't just about the number of spaces. Each space also has limits on lists and folders, those organizational tools within your project hub. Understanding these limitations can help you decide if the free plan truly fits your needs. Here's a quick breakdown. Free Forever Plan: 5 spaces, 100 lists, and 100 folders per space. Unlimited Plan: unlimited spaces, 200 lists, and 200 folders per space. Now let's unpack this. 100 lists and folders per space might seem like a lot, but trust me, it can add up quickly. Lists are fantastic for categorizing tasks within a project, while folders help group related lists together. Imagine a space dedicated to a marketing campaign. Within that space, you might have lists for content creation, social media promotion, and budget tracking. Each of these lists could then have subfolders for specific tasks or deliverables. The key takeaway? The free ClickUp plan is an excellent resource for individuals and small teams with a limited number of projects. However, if you foresee needing more organization or anticipate exceeding those space, list, and folder limits, then exploring the paid plans might be necessary. But fear not, free plan warriors. ClickUp's free version still offers a ton of valuable features. You can create unlimited tasks, invite unlimited guests, perfect for collaborating with external parties, and leverage ClickUp's robust functionality for basic project management. ClickUp's free plan is a fantastic starting point, especially for personal use or small, streamlined projects. However, if you crave more organizational freedom and require a larger project management canvas, then upgrading to a paid plan might be the way to go. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.